So we're on the way to the market sekarang. Dah got the park. So situ ada pharmacy just in case for emergency. There's the chocolate fudge shop there as well, pretty famous. Sini ada bank, Commonwealth Bank. So we have Commonwealth Bank, we have National Australia Bank, we have Westpac, we have Bank West. So yeah, if you need to withdraw any money or anything like that. Okay, so every Sunday, kalau nak dekat summer, during spring summer, they usually have another market which is called the Town Square Market, and it is held in the Town Square. So dekat Town Square ni adalah a few shops. We have the kebab shop, we have a sushi shop, we have some shops jual barang-barang. Kalau kat Town Square Market ni usually they have little knick-knack stuff, little shops selling, you know, different things. It's usually not fixed, so dia dah ada baju, then macam ni is tea and spices, which is pretty interesting. You have the silver items, all these bags and stuff, handmade leather products. Yeah, so we just look around. We'll just do a round tour of this market, what they sell, what they're selling. Banyak knick-knacks. The shops tak berapa banyak, but it's pretty interesting just to have a look around. Kat situ they sell all those fresh honey, ada fig jam, ada marmalade, ada semua lah kat sini kalau interested nak beli.
I didn't know it was called that until I came over here and they go, oh, it's like you're from over
That. And you draw all the little purses, bags as well. Yang ni jual all those wood carvings, like cheese boards and stuff. Porcelain ware, pottery, mugs, a few more bags again. It's crystals, very nice crystals. And I need candles, so it's natural soy candles. This one is like selling jams and stuff again. This is all baju-baju, all ready for summer.
But I'm not in a rush, but if I can.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, not a 3
So yeah, that's the round out the market. Pretty small, but if you are in Margaret River on a Sunday, it's a good place to visit. Just for, like, you know, a short walk around. Short walk about.